I seem to have this trend of dressing like an 80-year-old woman. Back when I was a kid. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't noticed, my video quality is spectacular because I got a camera. I'm really excited about it. And today, my first video on my new camera, and we're gonna bring on the spring clothes. Spring clothes. And even right now, I'm wearing my spring dress. I don't know what this is, but we're going with it. But all seriousness, we have some major clothes declutter to do. So today we're going to be pulling out all of our spring clothes that's been sitting under your bed, hiding out for the winter, and we'll get everything organized back into our closets the way it should be. We're going to take all that winter clothes and say, see you later, see you never, at least until next winter, which hopefully doesn't come. Global warming, come on! I'm just kidding, okay? Alrighty guys, let's get to it. Let's do it, let's do it. Let's get to it. Isn't that a song? I just pulled my clothes from out under my bed and it's like 1,000 pounds. Nope, it's not gonna happen. Okay, listen up, Lindas. These clothes, they're so heavy that I can't even lift it onto the bed. So we're just gonna have to go one by one. So I went to threadup.com and I got a whole bunch of used clothing. And this is one of the dresses that I got. I think it's a keeper. What do you think? This one makes me feel like I'm some kind of Disney princess. I know you, I walked with you once upon a dream. This is not my style. My mom gave it to me because it wasn't her style. I don't know.
Should I do a fashion show?
Just wait a minute, I gotta visit with somebody. Hey, don't you forget to subscribe, okay? Thanks. Here's another garage sale dress, $2. $2 holla, Cobra Kai. Okay, so here it is, very frilly shirt. Kind of makes me look like a teenager. First day school. So I found this nice green cardigan. I thought it would look nice with this. I think it's a keeper. Here is the next shirt. I actually got this at a lawn sale for $2. I'm gonna keep it. Really? You're gonna keep that? You're wearing the same thing. Oh. I think this reminds me of something else. I know you. I seem to have this trend of dressing like an 80-year-old woman. You get off my lawn. Oh wait, that's an 80-year-old man. Back when I was a kid, we wore dresses with flowers on them. T-shirt dresses are my favorite. I don't even know why I tried it on because I know I'm gonna say yes, but maybe I just wanted to see myself in it, you know? And blue is my favorite color because blue is cool. Yo, 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 my name is Ariel Jade. I like to wear sapphire and jade. This is my husband's clothes. And here's all the winter shirts. Don't do that, okay? Yep. I hate it. This is the weirdest freaking dress I've ever bought. I look like I'm going to Hawaii. Woo! Oh wait, that's the Lion King. I mean, why did I buy this? I don't even know. Who buys pineapple dresses? Who does that? So everything I'm getting rid of, I'm gonna put in this basket. Now, some people disagree with me, but I think I rock the yellow color. I look awesome in yellow. Mom, this dress is not my favorite. Every year I seem to keep it, but I don't know. Give me a thumbs up if you think I should keep it. And if you don't think I should keep it, give me a thumbs up. Just give me a thumbs up. I wanna be where the people are. My style is out of style. Oh my goodness. I look like Ursula. Has anyone seen where the shoulders of my shirt went? Somebody cut them off. I bought this shirt because I loved the color, and I didn't realize that there's holes in the shoulder. Alright, here's my next dress. Simple but sophisticated. This is one of my favorite dresses that I wear in the summers, and I got it from a consignment shop for like $8. This dress my mom gave me because she didn't really like it on her. Let's get the big picture. Let's get the big picture. I noticed it doesn't look that bad on camera, but it looks worse in person. I don't like it. Gotta go. Sorry, Mom. Alright, so here's some blue shorts that I've really worn a lot. I got these at a lawn sale last year for $2. I was so excited about these. I haven't worn them yet, but they do fit really nicely, and I'm looking forward to that. JCPenney's, y'all. So I'm sorry to inform you that my remarkable and incredibly breathtaking fashion show has come to an end, and now I need to put my winter clothes away for the summer, back underneath my bed. So I just put all the leg warmers and fuzzy socks in a baggie, and I'm bringing out the shorts, ready to get a tan. I've had 2 tans in my whole life, the tan of 2010 and the tan of 2015. And this year, it's my goal to have the tan of 2021. This is the year for a tan, my friends. And my bathing suits are now organized and put away, all ready to help my 2021 tan. Alright, back to my winter clothing. I'm just throwing them all in this oversized bin. I love when the weather gets warm and you can finally go outside again because I live in New York and it's always freezing here, half the year. And now I'm hanging up all my spring clothing and my job today is complete. Thank you all for joining me today as I cleared out my closet of winter clothes and got all my fresh spring clothes ready to wear. It was a lot of fun having you guys with me. And let me know in the comments what's your go-to outfit. Are you like a stripes kind of girl? Are you like a dress kind of girl like me? Or do you wear a lot of sweatpants? Let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed your time today, and I will see you soon. A dream is a wish your heart makes when you're fast asleep, and dreams you will lose your heartache